Whenever the shaitan comes and gives you whispers and tries to attack you and tries to delude you, then remember, call upon the Lord who created the shaitan to save you and connect with him. The shaitan cannot get between you. And go into sujood in your salat, that will strengthen you and weaken the shaitan. So these are our two avenues of saving ourselves. As for in front of us, we see the world. Because when we look around, what do we see? We see all the temptations. Allah says to the Prophet ﷺ, وَلَا تَمُدَّنَّ عَيْنَيْكَ إِلَى مَا مَتَّعْنَا بِهِ أَزْوَاجًا مِّنْهُمْ زَهْرَةَ الْحَيَاةِ الدُّنْيَا. Allah says, and do not extend your eye out from what you see in the luxuries and the delusions of what they have. This is all just the flower, the blossom of their temporary world. So we see things in front of us, the shaitan then uses that. From behind us, sneakily, he gives us whispers sneakily, and from our sides, he whispers to us into our ears.